Okay, like is my voice is clear and is my screen is visible to everyone? Is my screen is visible to everyone?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yes, Venkat.
Okay, so fine. So coming to the today's class, I'm been continuing. So coming to the previous class, I discussed about primitive data types. Anyone remember like what I discussed in yesterday class? Yesterday I discussed about the introduction to Apex programming, and also I discussed about some basic hello world program. After discussing the basic hello world program, I discussed about the primitive data types. Okay, let me try to discuss non-primitive data types in today's class. Okay, non-primitive data types are nothing but as object data types. Okay, there are different types of objects. Like there are standard objects, and also apart from this, we also have a custom objects. Anyone, can you please tell me what are the standard objects? We have some of the standard objects, two or three.
Account,
Yes,
Account,
account,
lead,
sales,
this lead,
opportunities.
Yes,
opportunity.
account, contact, opportunity, lead, etc. In the simultaneously, we have custom object like hiring manager, like what we created, and position. Okay, like this candidate. Like we have different types of custom object. We created some different types of custom object from the previous class. Now let us insert the records. Now let me try to insert the records from my Salesforce org to this appropriate backend. Okay, from my Salesforce org to this particular backend by using this particular custom objects. This is important topic. Even in future class also it will be available. Let me try to create one Apex program. How to create Apex program? Click on file, click on new, click on Apex class. I am mentioning June class 2. Click on OK. What I need to write after that? Shravani, what I need to write after this?
public
I
static
need,
void method.
yeah, I need to create some method, public static void method. Method 1, method 2. Naming is your wish. Okay. Here I am writing some information related to account, contact, opportunity. First, let me try to. There are two styles when you are providing the information. From here, there are two styles. Okay. Account ACC is equal to new account. This is a modern style. Mostly we will use this only. Account dot. Whenever if you click on dot, immediately what are the fields are available inside the account object, it will become here. Okay, like what are the fields are available? Each and every field it will be available here. Account dot industry. I'll go one by one. Okay, like how the things will be come from the front end to back end. Everything I'll design. Okay, like for example, from the execute anonymous, how you need to give the data. Everything I'll go step by step. First of all, I'm going like this. Then step by step, let me try to go. So here I'm using as object data types to insert the data. Okay, like I used an object pattern. Like this, you need to use object name, instance name is equal to new object name. Okay, this is the pattern you need to apply. Okay, when you're inserting the data. Okay, account dot rating. Just I'm giving some each and every values. Account dot fax is equal to just I'm giving some data. Okay, I'm using inserted statement to insert the data. Insert ACC. Insert ACC. Okay, after inserting the account ID will be created or not? Once please tell me. After inserting account ID will be created or not? Teju, Amit.
Secretary.
Definitely after inserting the data, account ID will be created. If you want to print the account ID, system.debug of acc.id, control S. Okay, if you want to execute this information, how I need to execute? Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Okay, June class 2 dot. I need to execute method 1. Click on execute button, immediately open log. Click on execute, immediately the data will be executed. Everyone able to see the account ID? Okay, I'm copying this account ID. Okay, just let me try to go to the account object and let us see whether this particular record has been inserted under the backend or not. Everyone able to see the Shravani record, what had been inserted from the backend? Everyone able to see this record?
Yeah, yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Like from the
Yes.
development console, just from the developer console had been inserted this particular record. Okay, like there is another approach also to insert the record, but it is not good approach. So kindly please follow the first approach. Just I'm changing the instance name because ACs are used. Because when you use this particular approach, okay, will not get the fields. Okay, you need to type manually. It's difficult to remember which field we need like this. We need to type the data manually. According to my agenda, the first style is good in inserting the data, whatever it may be. Just I'm manually typing. Okay, insert ACC2. Control S. I'm inserting the data. After that, I'm clicking on Control S. Previously, the Shravani record has been inserted successfully. Let me try to give Sadhvi. Click on debug and open execute anonymous window. The method is there. If you click on execute, two records are created. If you want to print entire data, including account ID, you need to use system.debug of I need entire data under the debug log. System.debug of ACC2. I'm clicking on execute. You can able to see Sadhvi and Subhash record has been inserted, will be inserted successfully. Yes. Everyone able to see the data with their ID. And also the new record ID also created. Everyone able to see it. Okay, you can navigate to the account object. Everyone able to see Sadhvi and Subhash record has been inserted successfully. Am I audible to everyone? Please respond.
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay. So just I deal with the standard objects. Let me try to deal with the custom objects also. Okay, you can navigate to object manager. You can search for hiring manager. Okay, let me try to insert the hiring manager data also. Okay, I'm using a style one. Which one it feels better? Style one or style two? I feel style
One
one is better. Yeah.
style
Okay, so I'm
ones.
continuing the style one only. In real time also mostly will deal with style one only because the reason. Because to type the data manually you need to go to the object manager and you need to take the data like this. Here no need of HR.name, hiring manager name. And I'm giving HR.email. If you have any validation rules, please deactivate it. Why I'm saying this? Okay, if you have the validation means you need to give the I mean that records based on the validation rules instructions only. Okay. Okay, just I'm inserting the HR record. If you want to print the entire record, we need to use system.debug of HR.id. I need entire record. That's why I'm using system.debug of HR. Click on debug. Open execute anonymous window. Like I'm executing this. Again, the account ID will be created. Yes. Everyone able to see the hiring manager information? Let me try to copy and verify it, whether this record has been created or not. Everyone able to see the Venkat record? Everyone able to see
Yeah.
the Venkat record? It has
Yeah.
been inserted successfully. Okay, like what is the relationship between the hiring manager to position? What is the relationship in between the hiring manager to position?
Look up.
Look up.
Yeah, look up relationship. One hiring manager can have multiple positions. Yes, we know this. Okay, if you want to interlink in between the hiring manager to position, as it is possible. Okay, just let me try to create the position object information. Okay, I'm copying the position object. Every position has the hiring manager ID. Okay. Yesterday, from Rajesh, you kept some information in the group.
Yes, Venkat. I mean, it's about
Okay,
the posting in our company.
okay from your company.
Yes, Venkat.
Okay,
It
like
is
his direct reference. Hmm?
not. It is not totally admin. It's a lead management job.
Okay, fine. Like if the referrals will be accepted from your side.
Yeah.
Okay, like I'll send some other resumes. Please refer the things. Okay.
Sure, Venkat. Yeah.
Thank you, Rajesh. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, just I'm linking. Okay, every hiring manager has a related position. I'm linking. Okay. So positions hiring manager with that particular ID. Okay, I'm linking positions hiring manager with this particular ID, whatever it may be, I got it. You can able to see it. After this, I'm inserting the position. I'm linking positions. Like first of all, I inserted the hiring manager. After that, I inserted the related position. After that, I'm linking hiring manager with the position. Let me try to click on debug and let me try to click on execute. It is showing that field filter validation exception value does not exist. Let me go to position, fields and relationship, search for hiring manager. Yeah, again let me try to click on execute. What is the exception it is showing? Value does not exist or does not match filter criteria. Everyone able to see this?
Venkat, try to link with hiring manager too. We have other field, I think. I mean, other object, hiring manager too.
No, no. Hiring manager to linked with position only. Okay. Let me try to let's see it. Why this exception is getting. Okay, I deactivated all the things. I hope. Do you remember just applied some field lookup filter configuration? Anyone remember lookup filter configuration under relationship concept? Anyone remember?
Yes.
Location.
Yes. Position location equal to hiring manager location means okay. When our position location is equal to Hyderabad, you need to give the okay like this hiring manager location is also Hyderabad. That is the thing. Okay, let me try to go to object manager first of all. I'm going to hiring manager. Okay, let me try to search for location. Okay, we have Hyderabad location. Absolutely fine. Let me try to go to position. In the position object also we have location or not. Let us verify. Okay, let us verify inside the position object also we have location or not. Yes, we have. Let me try to give the position location also. Okay, let me try to debug open execute anonymous. Yes, everyone able to see now the code is executed. So for this particular hiring manager, this particular relation has been created successfully. Let me try to go to the hiring manager object. I'm going to the Investigo UK application, whatever it may be, which I created a long back. I'm going to the navigating to the hiring manager object. So 0046. Okay, Venkat record. Let me try to go to the related. Everyone able to see? It is interlinked with position. Everyone able to observe. Radha, Sravani. Once please unmute your
Yes.
mic.
Yes, Venkat.
Yeah, this is a thing. Anyone have any queries on this? Anyone have any queries as object data types? It's important. Kindly please practice it. Even in our upcoming classes, also so many scenarios will get related to this. Anyone have any queries on this?
No, Venkat.
So we have to memorize all this, Venkat.
Not memorize. You need to practice.
Okay.
Venkat, can you please scroll down? Little
Yes.
down.
Don't memorize. If you memorize also, you'll forget. Okay. Practice. Practice. Teji, you are able to understand.
Yeah, yes, Venkat.
Regular practice is required, Teju. If you did not practice, means it will not get.
Okay,
So,
Venkat.
yeah, Venkat, here we are mentioning the various types of objects. So, when you are executing, at a time all will execute, or a specific, for example, account and hiring
If I'm
manager is there.
executing, no. If I'm executing this method, all the data will be executed. Okay. If you want
Okay,
to separate limits, you need to mention in separate methods.
okay,
Yeah.
fine.
So
Okay, let
Venkat,
us go
can you
further.
please scroll down in the position dot hiring manager underscore C? It should be ID, no Venkat. Then why did we give the object name itself in the
Here you're
position?
asking.
Yeah.
Like because first of all, I inserted the hiring manager. Okay, so whenever you inserted the hiring manager, definitely hiring manager ID will be created. Okay, like after that, I'm interlinking the position with hiring manager ID. Okay, then only you can able to see inside the hiring manager it is interlinked. Inside the hiring manager it will be interlinked. You can able to see. Without interlinking, it is not possible. Like I'm interlinking position hiring manager's ID with the position. HR.id with the position dot hiring manager. Then only it will be interlinked. Otherwise, it's not possible because we have some
let
relationships concept.
so let us take Venkat giving an example. Let us we have interlinked the hiring manager phone number to the position.
Hiring manager
Okay.
phone number. 1 minute. Kindly please 1 minute. Kindly please clarify your question correctly, Rajesh. The thing is,
Huh.
hiring manager will be interlinked with the position. Okay, if you want to, hiring manager phone will be interlinked with the position. Can you please describe it how you can interlink it? Phone.
Because in for every position there will be a hiring
How
manager.
it is possible? Huh?
For, for every position there will be an hiring manager.
Rajesh, not clear for me. Now it's clear. Please continue.
Yeah. So for every position there will be an hiring manager. I mean, you agreed. I'm not getting voice from your side, Venkat. Hello.
Yeah, I think
Hello.
he lost his connection.
He's back, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, yes, you can continue, please.
Uh, so for every position there will be a hiring manager.
Yes, of course. It's not
So
mandatory. I did not apply master detail relationship. I applied lookup relationship. Yes, okay.
yeah, so in same way we'll have hiring manager phone number also.
Every hiring manager phone number inside the position phone. You are saying inside the position
Yeah, yeah,
object phone.
yeah,
Yeah, it is possible. Yeah, it is
yeah.
possible. Yeah.
It is possible, right? So in the go to the coding.
Okay.
So suppose if I want to link through coding position dot hiring manager underscore c equal to hr dot phone number hr dot hr phone
One minute,
underscore c.
1 minute, 1 minute, Rajesh. It is not
Hmm.
possible. Okay, we need to apply triggers. Okay, we need to apply some triggers. Okay, and we need to interlink with Apex class. Whenever if any hiring manager has been created with their phone number, automatically it is copied to position's phone number. Okay, we need to use a triggers concept after insert. It is not been covered in upcoming classes. It will be covered, Rajesh. Okay, whatever you told, just logically by using triggers, it is possible. Yeah.
Uh-huh. So
You're saying
my
that
question my question is, Venkat, how does the pos dot hiring manager underscore c equal to hr dot id? How does the system recognize it?
how
It
does
is an
system
id.
recognize it? We established some lookup relationship long ago. Okay, see inside the position object we interlink it. Do you remember or not? See,
Yeah, yeah.
are you able to see the hiring manager field?
Huh.
Okay, so every position have the hiring manager. Okay, I interlinked with the lookup relationship. Okay, every position have this hiring manager. I'm placing this particular hiring manager field with HR ID. Whatever the HR ID,
Okay.
I'm placing this particular ID. That's it. I'm doing nothing other than this.
Okay, Venkat. Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me try to recognize with the operators. There are different types of operators are available. Arithmetic operators, relational operators. Rajesh, are you clear with your question? I mean that do you got the answer? I hope so.
Uh, yes, Venkat. Yeah.
Whatever you told, the hiring manager phone is been automatically copied to positions phone. Yes, it is possible by using triggers. We'll interlink triggers with Apex classes, triggers with interlinked with the hiring manager or whatever the object. That particular part also there is some scenario is there. Account phone will be copied to contact phone like this automatically. Logical operators,
Okay, Venkat. Yeah.
increment or decrement operators. There are different types of operators are there. Okay, like assigning the data. Okay, arithmetic operators are nothing but addition, just subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus. Okay, these are all the things which will be comes under arithmetic operators. Okay, these are all the things which will be comes under arithmetic operators. Okay, relational operators are nothing but whenever if you are like comparing two variables. Okay, whenever if you are comparing the two variables information, whatever it may be. Whenever you are comparing the two variables information, like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal to, like this. Okay, for example, if you declare the integer a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, if you want to compare which one is a greater, okay, a greater than b, or which one is greater than or equal to, like this. Comparison in between the two variables or the two strings or whatever it may be. So we'll use a logical operators. I'll take some examples also. I mean that relational operators, these are all comes under. And coming to logical operators. Okay, like I'll ask you one question. Like we are dealing with development based on the client requirement. Like we will create some conditions. Okay, like we'll create a multiple conditions or a single conditions. Sometimes single conditions, sometimes multiple conditions. Definitely. Okay, definitely. Like we have different types of information and or okay, it is nothing but not and are not. I need to satisfy all the conditions. What are the client requirement? I need to satisfy all the conditions. Okay, then only I'll proceed further. Then I'll use and. Okay, at least one condition satisfied. At least one condition satisfied, then it absolutely fine. Then I'll use or. Okay, what are the condition you need to apply, which is a reverse? For example, I got some requirement. I need to retrieve the records. Okay, just I need to retrieve the records with the account industry is equal to banking and account dot rating is equal to warm. I need to retrieve these particular records. Okay, I need to retrieve these records. Then we are applying two conditions. If these two conditions for that particular account, if industry is equal to banking, then rating is equal to 1, then only I'll retrieve that records. If both conditions are satisfied. Everyone is understanding what I'm teaching? Everyone is understanding. Is my voice is clear to everyone?
Yes,
Yes.
Venkat.
Yes, yes.
Okay, just I'm applying, just I'm explaining the logics. Okay, let me try to go to the theory, practical part also, step by step. Okay, increment. Okay, like we have plus plus, minus minus, like this. We have increment as well as a decrement operator. Okay, increment operator means, for example, if I declared a is equal to 0. Okay, increment operator. Okay, it will be incremented to 1. Okay, after that 2. After that 3. After that 4. Like this. Increment operator means it will be incremented. Increment operator. Decrement operator means it will be decremented. Okay, like 55. Like this. Increment operator means information will be incremented. Decrement operator means it will be decremented. But we will not use this. Not use this. Mostly we'll go with logical in our programming and sometimes relational. Only that's it. Assignment operators. Assignment operators. Plus is equal to, minus is equal to, into is equal to, like this. For example, if you declared, I want to add to 20. How it will be differentiated? A is equal to A plus 20. What is the output here? Anyone please tell me. What is the output here?
30.
30.
Yes.
30.
Okay, just
30.
assignment operators. Okay, just it will be differentiated. Okay, like A into is equal to 2. What is the output?
20.
Yes, 10 into 2, 20. Okay, just assignment operators. I'm saying about assignment, assigning the data. So let's see. Let's see with some use cases. Okay, then you can able to understand some more. Let me try to close this. Click on file. Click on new Apex class. Everyone is understanding Apex programming. What I'm teaching.
Yes, Venkat.
Everyone is understanding. Just I'm going with basic programming because this is our second class. That's it. Public static void. Okay, method or method 2. Anything fine. Method name it's your wish. I'm creating some information. Just I'm adding the data. Integer a equal to 10, b is equal to 30. Okay. Or you can give the data from execute anonymous window. First number and integer. Second number. I will ask you one thing. In real time, we'll give the data manually or the data which is entered by the customer inserted. The data which is entered by the customer, the information will be inserted or sales agent or will enter the data manually in the real time. Anyone please tell me. No worries.
Customers.
Sure.
Definitely it is a customers. Okay, what are the LWC component? Okay, immediately Apex class will receive through parameters. Then it will be inserted. Just I am going. This is the first program. Just I am performing addition. Okay, second number. If you want to print the result, system.debug of addition. Okay, I'll print the result. And simultaneously, I want to perform multiplication, subtraction, everything. Okay, just I'm performing
So
multiplication.
how to, how to give input dynamically, sir?
Yeah, direct from the execute anonymous window I need to give it. Okay, just try passing the parameters from the execute anonymous window I need to give. Normally we need to in real time we'll like in the LWC I'll cover this. Okay, because one concept is interlinked with another concept. That is the thing. Okay, like from the LWC component, like this is my LWC component. From the LWC component, if you give the input whatever it may be, just inside the input boxes. Okay, whenever if you click on the submit button, that's why I'm saying that please learn three of them, not learning one thing and leaving. Okay, like whatever the data you entered immediately, it will receive as a parameters through Apex programming. I'll discuss the scenarios also, the similar scenarios whatever I'm showing. After by using insert DML operation, the data will be inserted to the admin. This is the entire process. But now randomly we are giving through execute anonymous window. Okay, for verification purpose. Just I'm performing division. Okay, after that I'm performing modulus. What is the symbol of modulus? Percentage. Is it will work? Let's see whether it will work or it will raise error. I hope. I hope not. Definitely it will raise error. So whenever you got a problems inside the logs, tests and problems, you'll get an error. Everyone able to see the problems? I got problem. Everyone able to see at 19th line there is the problem. Okay, I want to rectify this problem. That's why I'm mentioning math.mod. We need to use a math.mod function. Click on Control S. Okay, now there is no issues. Everything is fine. Let me try to give the data randomly. Debug, open, execute this window. Let me try to give the data. Okay, let us see the output. I am passing the data. Let me randomly. Let me try to execute it. If you want to pass another information also, you can pass it. It's your wish. Click on execute. Click on debug only. Everyone able to say I got the information? Everyone able to see it? Rajesh, everyone.
Yes.
Yeah, Venkat, I'm able to see.
After completion of the class, please practice it. I'm saying again to everyone.
If you see the
Anyone have any
division is
queries?
0, why the division is 0?
I given what is the output? I given 10 and 20. Okay, you can calculate it. Okay, then we'll get the division
Okay, it should be in
as a
decimals,
0.
but it has rounded to 0. Okay.
Not, no, 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 no. Not it. Math operation. What is this? Okay, Rajesh.
Reminder, I
This is a
think.
thing.
Reminder.
Venkat, that is
Yeah,
reminder number, Venkat, but it
1
is
minute.
showing us
One
division.
minute, 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I think I hope given 1 minute. Modulus. I'm giving modulus. So modulus is 10. 10 mod 20, whatever it may be. Okay. And division it is showing 0. 1 minute. I think division, I need to check it.
So division always will get 0, sir, because it's based for dividing
Yeah.
with big number, no, sir.
Yes, maybe that is a
10
thing.
by
Yeah, that
20
is a
means
thing.
0.
Because these are the, yeah, 10 by
10
20,
by
that is
20
the thing
means
I'm
0.
also saying. Yeah, 10 by 20, I'm also saying the same. Okay, yeah. Because these are all the math operations. That's why I'm verifying. That's it. Yeah, 10 by 20 is always 0. That's why I think this
But
is the
here you are
division.
doing 20 by 10, sir.
Which one? Debug, open, execute, anonymous window. See, yeah, I passing 10
Venkat,
as well
I
as
mean,
20. Okay. Hmm.
Venkat, the why it is showing a 0 as per my knowledge, because 10 by 20 is zero point 0.5, right? So it is not showing the decimal, it is taking rounding off to
Okay,
0
okay,
basis.
okay, got it. Got it. Yes, yes, that is the reason. Yeah, yes, exactly. Exactly. If you pass 2010 means, okay, what is the 10? Just I'm passing the data 2010. Then it should be, this is the thing. Yeah. Now let us see this. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, it's correct, Rajesh. Yeah, just it's a math operation. Na? Now I got modulus as 0. Yeah, modulus is, this is the thing. Okay, this is the modulus. Yeah. Yes, Rajesh, it's correct. Yeah. Division is 2. This is the division. This is the division. Yes, Rajesh, it's correct only. Yeah, whatever you assume.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Thanks.
Yeah. Because these are the math operations, I use it to just we use it to verify with the logic. Yeah. And let us see. Anyone know the simple interest? Simple interest. Simple interest.
PTR by
Like
100.
yes,
Sir.
yes. These are the common programs. Just normal I'm discussing. Okay, it's like a basic, very basic level I'm discussing. Okay, let me try to. I'm giving another method because I'm going with very basics at starting. Then let me try to go one by one. Just I'm calculating the simple interest. Yeah, P into T into R by 100. You want to pass the data. Just let me try to decimal P time. Just if you want to calculate the maturity amount. Okay, like principal plus simple interest I'm calculating. Just if you want to print the system.debug of their simple interest. Don't go into deep dive, just only I'm verifying. Just it's like basic programs. That's it. I want to convey. Like we have triggers on that particular part, we need to more concentrate. Okay, if you want to click on debug, open execute anonymous window. Okay. Just you can able to see it. Just I'm passing the data principal and rate 43. Just normal I'm adding and time 2 years. Click on save. Execute. Let's see the interest. Click on debug only. Simple interest is 86,000. Maturity amount is 1 lakh plus 86,000. 1 lakh 86,000. 1 lakh plus 86,000. 1 lakh 86,000. Everyone is understanding this program. Just a simple interest. This is nothing but a formula. You can able to observe. You can check in the Google. Is everyone able to see the formula? Everyone able to see the formula?
Yes, Shankar.
Everyone is listening the class. Only Rajesh is responding. Tanya, Avi, Hari
Yes, sir.
Prasad, Hemant.
Yes, yes.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
Yes, Venkat.
yeah. Everyone, please be active. Area of rectangle. Let's see area of rectangle. Length into width. Area of rectangle is length into width. Okay, let's see it. Let's create another method. If you need, just you can create a separate programs. Okay, just I'm using same program with multiple methods. Length into width, length and width. W. Okay, just if you want to print system.debug. Area of rectangle. Practice once after completion of the class. If you practice, it means you will get familiarity in Apex programming. That's it. I hope you have familiarity in other programming language. If you don't have familiarity, also fine. Okay, if you practice, it means you will get idea. Just in passing 5 comma 6 means a 5 into 6 30 will be output will be printed area of rectangle. You can able to see it. Yes, area of rectangle 5 into 6 30. This is the thing. Yeah. So kindly please practice. Okay, assignment like take it assignment. I'll provide in the notes also. No worries. Area of trapezium. Go to Google and search for formula and create the program. And area of triangle. Everyone will do this.
Yeah.
Area of trapezium and area of triangle.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
Venkat.
Yeah. Just to create ones. I will not say this by using this you are learning a high level Apex programming. Just practice once. I'm expecting practice once. Okay, by using these programs, practice once. That is the thing I'm expecting. Then whenever if you practice means you'll get some familiarity. When you attended the class, definitely you'll get, because seeing the recording, okay, like if for example just imagine if you are high work, I can understand definitely. Okay, if you want to go to office, I can understand, just you can watch the recording. Okay, like otherwise in other scenarios if you are available, try to attend the class, because in the live class it should be more interactive and we'll learn more things. Everyone will agree with this point.
Yeah,
Everyone will
yes,
agree with this point. Yeah, like
yes,
live class definitely will learn good things. Yeah, because there is interaction will be going to be happen. That is the thing. For example, in some scenarios, like you are not feeling well, okay, you are going to
Yes.
office, or some other scenarios, no worries, you can see the recording. Okay, okay, let us see conditional statements. Anyone have any queries on the things still now whatever I teached? Basic programming. Anyone have any queries? Everyone able to understand?
Yes.
Okay, fine, good enough. Okay, so let me try to teach the conditional statements. Okay, like Apex provides a different conditional statements like if condition and switch condition, and we have ternary operator. And coming to if condition, there are different types of things are there. Under if switch condition will not use in the real time also at most. Only will go with if only. Yeah. But I'll teach that particular thing also. We have simple if, and we have if else condition, and we have else if, and we have nested if. Okay, like this we have different types of conditions. Okay, if condition, for example, if the condition I satisfied the condition, just imagine I satisfied the condition, then I'll execute this logic. Okay, if I satisfied this condition, whatever the condition as per the requirement, I'll execute this logic. Another thing, if I satisfied this condition, then this logic 1 will be executed. If I not satisfied, then I'll go with logic 2. And another thing, like we have multiple logics. Okay, like we have different conditions. Okay, just I'll go with condition 1. Okay, if the satisfied logic, then I'll go execute the logic 1. No, then I'll go to the condition 2. Okay, then I'll execute the logic 2. No, this condition is also not satisfied. Like this, we can define multiple conditions as per the requirement. Multiple conditions as per the requirement. Multiple conditions as per the requirement. Okay, if it is not satisfied any of the conditions, then logic 4. This is the thing. 1 minute, team, 1 minute. I'm coming. 1 minute. Okay, I came back. If all like this, we'll define the multiple conditions. Everyone able to understand what I'm defining? Everyone able to understand?
Yes.
Okay. let's design one basic programming, then I'll close the class. Okay, let's design. Like a previously I designed some June class 1. Yeah. Anyone remember June class 1? If you want to open the previous existing classes, click on file, click on open, click on, this is the thing. Okay, like previously June class 3. Okay, here let's apply the if condition here. Okay, if second number is greater than 0, then only I'll perform the division. Otherwise, division is not possible. No worries, everything I'll provide it. Just only listen the class, that's it. If second number is greater than 0, okay, then only I'll perform all these operations. If second number is not greater than 0, I'll not perform all these operations. I will execute else condition. Operations are not possible because less than 0. Less than or equal to 0. Okay, for example, if the second number is greater than 0, this logics will be executed. Otherwise, else statement will be executed. Click on debug, open execute anonymous window. You can pass the data. Okay, Shravani, which statement will be executed else or if condition now? Shravani, 26th line or 18th this line will be executed. Anyone please respond?
26th.
Yes, exactly. Because it is not is equal to 0 or something or less than 0. Let's see. Is everyone able to see? Operation are not possible because second
Yes.
number is less than or equal to 0. Okay, applied if and else conditions. Yeah. Okay, let us see other programs tomorrow. Okay, like tomorrow, let's see other programmings. Like we have different types of if else, else if, nested if. Let's say tomorrow, switch statement. Yeah. This is about today's class. I'm stopping the recording. And 1 minute, like is Sammy is there? Sammy, okay, no worries. You will see the recording. Everyone able to see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Everyone able, like we created 3 folders: Salesforce admin, development, LWC. Inside the development, yesterday one video is uploaded. Inside the I created some docs. Okay, like I uploaded each and everything. And TOC in terms syllabus, and also development, just how to I open the developer console, each and everything. Maybe some things will be covered in upcoming classes, triggers or all these things. Just I created and I mentioned here, and I mentioned this text file also as like previous. Okay, like every module there is separate text files are there. That's it. Okay, I'm stopping the recording now.